Hello, everyone. Welcome to another special webinar for LAMP students. Today, we shall be discussing scattered pulse or dissipated pulse or sunmai. This is still under the category of floating pulses. To recap, we have so far taken up three floating pulses: floating or fumai, surging or hongmai, suggy, rumai. So let's um, start with the dissipated or scattered pulse. This is scattered without root, it's floating. And when you apply pressure, it disappears. And it has an irregular pulse rate. Take note, that's why it's called scattered. It indicates original qi or yuan qi dissipation and zhang qi exhaustion. So again, the scattered pulse is due to the yuan qi or your original qi being dissipated, unconstrained yin and yang, the vessel qi being scattered, disordered, and loose. It is wide, it is without strength, and when you apply pressure, again, it disappears. Sige, check nyo, baka you might have this kind of pulse. The difference between the scattered pulse and the hollow pulse is that the hollow pulse has clearly defined boundaries when you roll your fingers back and forth. This is not the case with the scattered pulse. The edges of the vessel are not defined, so that makes them difficult to perceive. The pulse is so feeble that it disappears with the slightest touch. So again, this is superficial, and Machocha describes this, the sensation as being like a lot of small dots below the fingertip instead of a wave. The scattered pulse arises in the same situations as the drum skin pulse. Okay, drum skin or the leather pulse. I have I had an elderly patient with that kind of pulse. You can really feel the drum skin. So the difference between the scattered and the drum skin is that in the scattered pulse, the loss of chi means that the walls of the vessel lack chi. And this can be felt because there is no clear definition. The diagnostic significance of the two pulses is therefore almost identical, with the difference that in a scattered pulse, the loss of chi is greater. So patterns of imbalance, deficiency conditions like yin, blood deficiency, qi deficiency, and jing deficiency. It is forceless and slack. So this is the opposite of taut when you touch it lightly. It has an unclear feeling. Scattered means diffuse. The boundary of the vessel is vague. When you seek or press, it disappears. No? So much so that it's very difficult to count the rate. So traditional description of the dissipated pulse is that they are like flower blossoms slightly scattering to the ground. Wow. The key points: superficial, scattered, without root, uneven rhythm. It is also known as a dissipated pulse. So when you have a scattered pulse, this means there is exhaustion of qi, functional failure of the Zangfu organs. So we will be thinking of arteriosclerosis, cardiomyopathy, rheumatic heart disease, mitral stenosis or incompetent serous cor pulmonale, insufficiency of effective blood volume or other reduction of the cardiac output. So pathogenesis of the scattered pulse, the antipathogenic qi is exhausted, dispersion of yang qi because there is now dissociation of the yin and yang. So if you have this kind of pulse, you are in a critical condition. So sana wala, no? Sige nga, try nyo yung pulse. The pulse should not disappear when you apply pressure. When this pulse appears in a pregnant woman during the third trimester of pregnancy, labor is imminent. Ibig sabihin, magla-labor na siya. If this pulse is present during the second On pregnancy, it indicates a potential miscarriage. So that's it. No? Excited. So again, this is from another source. It feels indistinct. It is big without strength or forceless when you apply slight pressure. But when you increase the pressure, the pulse vanishes. It is like dandelion seeds in the wind. Yung kanina naman, scattered flower blossoms. It feels diffuse. Sometimes its beats rise with strength and fall without strength, and sometimes vice versa. They are therefore indistinct. So we should not confuse scattered pulse with the soft or empty or hollow pulses, because scattered pulse, it is not distinct. Floating, it is forceless and big. The soft pulse is floating, thin and soft. The empty or hollow pulse is floating and big, but loses strength when slightly more pressure is applied. I'm sorry, empty or weak pulse pala, sorry. Hollow pulse is floating and without substance in the center. Think of a scallion stalk. Have you seen a scallion stalk? These four pulses are all without strength and floating, but each one has a slightly different quality. The main cause of the scattered pulse is, as we have mentioned earlier, is deficiency and damage of your original qi or yuan qi. When the scattered pulse appears during pregnancy, it indicates that child delivery is imminent. So, manganak na. If it is too early for delivery, miscarriage can result. If the scattered pulse is felt in a chronic disease, it means that spleen and kidney yang have been severely damaged. So take note of that. When the heart yang deficiency causes palpitations, you can feel the scattered pulse at the left Sun position. Okay? When Wei Qi, not being consolidated, causes spontaneous perspiration, you can feel the scattered pulse at the right Sun position. When Yang is unable to transform, yin and fluid diseases result. So the scattered pulse can be felt at the left Quan position. So that's the liver, no? When the spleen yang is deficient and water damp pours downward, causing swelling and edema of the legs or the dorsal surface of the foot, the scattered pulse can be felt at the right Quan position. That's the spleen. When chronic diseases are caused by scattered yuan qi, both shear pulses are scattered. Okay? Now let's go to your favorite part. So anybody can join here. Is everybody excited? Sir Jobel, gusto mo itry yung first one? What do you call this pulse? Review lang to ha. It locates on the surface. It can be felt by gentle touch. As you press hard, it becomes faint. Nawawala siya, but offering no sense of empty. It can be found in young floating syndrome, which is due to chronic disease and weak constitution. Can anybody give the answer?
Superficial pulse. Hmm.
Okay. Or floating, the fumai, no? Very good. Number two. Okay, Madam M, what's the clinical significance of the floating pulse?
Um, Clinical significance mostly, ano po yun? Symptoms of the pulse of exogenous pathological factors. Or yun, exogenous nga, exterior syndrome at
Okay,
the early stage.
yeah, it can also indicate when you have chronic illnesses, you have deficient young floating syndrome. Next.
Ayun.
Um, Sino pa iba? Who would like to answer? What is a floating and forceful pulse Due to. Take note. Floating, forceful. Sir Jobel, do you want to
Exterior
try?
excess.
Yeah, Ma'am Twix.
Exterior excess.
Wow.
Mhm.
Excess or exterior excess. Exterior because it's floating. For excess because it is forceful.
Force.
Okay. Sir Jobel, dali. Parang sumikat din yung Negros. Okay. Kaya mo to. Huwag kayong sumagot yung mga floating and tight pulse. Kanina it was floating and excess. This time, floating and tight. What did I emphasize last time about tight pulse? Sir Jobel. Ay, nawala bigla. Answer.
Ah, dipisin dipisin po sa dok. Chilipisin.
Mm, wait lang. When you have a floating pulse, what immediately comes to mind?
Excess po.
Hindi.
Are we not talking about, kanina kasi, yung sagot ni, obviously this is superficial, no? When you have a
Mhm.
superficial pulse, Sir Jobel, ano yung una-una mong papasok sa ulo mo?
Excess po siya. Excess.
Okay, definitely.
Superficial.
Pero, yeah, superficial. Pero, ano po yung tawag sa syndrome na yon? Remember, tight pulse. I think we're very familiar with the tight pulse. This is not rapid pulse. So, exterior,
Mhm.
anong klaseng,
Cool.
yeah, exterior wind cold syndrome. Remember, wind cold. Floating siya and tight. Seen in, kung may common cold siya, may fever na walang sweating. Next, Sir Joe.
Doc, idagdag ko lang.
Sige po.
Sir, Doc, idagdag ko lang kasi medyo nalilito rin po. Yung iba, karamihan nalilito dun sa floating pulse. Kasi pag sinabi natin na floating, so exterior, ibig sabihin nasa labas. Kasi kaya siya nasa labas at nararamdaman natin kasi yung defensive chi natin lumalaban siya doon sa mismong kuli or doon sa pagitan ng skin at saka ng muscle natin. Kaya madali siyang maramdaman. Ngayon, magbabari na lang kung anong klaseng pathological factor yung pumapasok sa
Yes.
superficial area o sa labas. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Madam M. Malinaw na, Sir Jopel.
Mm,
Opo.
yun.
Okay, good. Floating tight, mahigpit. Definitely hindi siya mabilis. Siyempre mahigpit, no? Next, Sir Jobel. What about kung ang floating tight pulse is exterior wind cold syndrome, yung nakikita natin pag may common cold, ano naman ang floating and rapid pulse?
Windhead syndrome, Doc.
How would you describe this one, the floating? Kasi you need to be specific. You should say exterior or interior.
Exterior siya. Kasi floating po yung pulse na ma-detect natin.
Yes.
Tapos, mabilis po siya.
So, exterior wind heat syndrome. Ano
Mm.
ba yung like anong itatanong mo about the throat? Will there be itchy throat or sore throat?
Sore throat. Kasi may inflammation po.
Next. Tapusin mo na, Sir Joe Bell. I know you're very good. You see many patients every day. I've been following your posts. Floating and weak pulse.
Floating, exist sa labas pa rin
Exterior.
siya.
Floating siya, so
Tapos,
exterior. Ano naman itong weak
uh,
pulse?
Cold syndrome, Doc.
Um, Pwede, pero ayan. Yes. Exterior deficiency syndrome. Okay. Seen in cold, fever with much sweating. I would like you to ano kasi, like when you say exterior, it's floating, it's exterior, weak deficiency. Okay?
Mhm.
Fever with much sweating.
Mhm.
Bakit maraming sweating? Sir, bakit grabe yung sweating niya?
Kasi po, pag mas sobra na po yung lamig, nagtatransform po siya into heat po.
Ano yung
Lumalabas po yung powder.
na
Mhm.
affected, no? Anong nangyari sa
Mhm.
pores? Bakit nagbukas yung mga pores? Kasi nga deficient, di ba? Lung qi deficiency. Pag may lung qi deficiency ka, it will affect your wei qi. Wei qi, yan yung nagko-control ng ano mo. And the fever, how do you explain? Bakit may fever, Sir Jobel? Bakit may fever? In-explain ni
Exterior.
Madam M yan kanina. Can you tell us again? Okay, pag may fever ba, what comes into your mind? Meron bang nangyayaring sagupa?
Imbal. Opo. May imbalance
Because
po.
your Wei Qi, your upright Qi is trying to
Mhm.
fight the pathogenic factor.
Mhm.
Diba? So, kung cold, meron bang sweating o mas matindi yung chills?
Mat chills po.
Pero may sweating
Mas
din.
sobra po
Pero may sweating din.
mayroon.
Right? Okay. Okay. Please, yung analysis ng floating pulse formation. Paano nangyari ito? Will somebody answer? Kasi pag meron, if you have a patient, he will ask you, why do I have a floating pulse? What brings it about?
Pwede rin sa sobrang init ng klima o humid po. Humidity po ng
Pag sobrang init, hindi
ah,
na ang floating yon. Iba na yon, di ba? Okay. Sabi kanina ni Madam M, ano ba tawag doon sa defensive chi natin? Yung Wei Qi.
Wait, wait.
If the Wei
wait,
Qi is attacked by pathogenic factors, no?
uy, kamoy.
Talagang lalaban yan. Yung defensive yang will fight with them. So, this will drive the vascular chi to the skin surface. So, talagang magpo-float siya. Hmm?
Oh.
Nanlalaban eh. Nanlalaban. So that
Mhm.
makes it float. Because the vascular chi is being pushed to the skin surface. Because
Mhm.
defensive yang is fighting with the pathogenic factor. Do you want to add, Madam M?
Um, yung isa, yung ano kasi, yung linawin natin na ibig sabihin nung yung defensive yung yang kasi yun yung puwersa. Ngayon dahil sa exterior, yung pathogen o yung pinagmumula ng sakit, wala pa yan sa loob. So nasaan ang battlefield? Nandiyan sa pagitan ng skin at saka muscles. Kaya diyan mo siya mararamdaman. Kaya ganun siya lumulutang. That's why
Ah,
it's floating. Gets, yun, na-gets niya.
Yeah.
thank you po, ma'am.
At saka yung
Mm.
pathogenic factor, sinisira niya yung Wei Qi mo, di ba?
Opo. Yun po yung ano, yun po yung nasa pagitan ng yung Kuli, yung Wei Qi, yung defensive Qi, ah, laban silang dalawa. Kaya nagkakaroon, siyempre, pag cold, lalabanan niya, yung tendency niya, mag-i-infuse siya ng init para labanan yung lamig. Kasi syempre, kapag ka nag-defenseless siya hanggang sa siya yung natatalo, doon na yung pumapasok na sa loob, nawawala na yung fever, tas nagkaka-chills na.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm.
Okay. Saan pa nakikita ang
Thank you.
floating? Thank you so much, Madam M. Saan pa nakikita ang floating pulse, Sir Joe Bell? Where else do you see the floating?
Sa heart po.
You can also find this
Heart
in
pulse.
interior syndrome, especially pag meron ng heat, di ba? In chronic disease, yang qi deficiency yang floating out, and this leads to floating weak pulse without root. Next, what is this kind of pulse? Surging, like roaring waves. They come on vigorously and fade away. Para bang sa dagat, no? What do you call this pulse? Anyone? Itinake up na natin yan. Grabe.
Like roaring waves which come on diversion.
Kalimutan ka agad. Ano na ba yung tinake up natin? Can you tell us, Sir Joe Bell? We have the superficial pulse. Ano pa? We have the soft pulse. We have the surging pulse or full pulse. And then we have now the scattered pulse. Anong klaseng pulse po ito? Definitely hindi siya soft. Anyone?
Superficial.
Surging.
Surging nga.
Surging.
Floating ito lahat. Anyone?
Surging.
Superficial pulse po?
No. Roaring waves na nga eh. Surging pulse. Surging. Hindi na ginamit yung... Hindi sabi natin ulitin yung surging. It's also called full pulse. Hongmai. Flooding, abounding, or surging. Oh. Kasi pag sinabi mong surging, napaka-easy naman, di ba? Sa multiple choice, hindi lalabas yung surging. Andiyan na sa question di ba? And finally, we have the last one. Okay. Yung sumagot ng surging. What are the indications?
Extreme heat.
Yes.
Sobrang
heat.
High fever. Yang-ming heat or internal heat.
Yes. In most cases, excessive heat syndrome. Ito yung meridian syndrome pa sa Yang-ming, hindi pa yung organ. Severe syndrome marked by exuberance of yang and deficiency of yin. Thank you so much for your attention.
Maraming salamat.
Any questions? I hope we're doing well. Did you like the Q&A part, Madam Mercy?
Yes, Doc. Kasi lahat pwedeng masumali.
Oo. Paulit
So,
mo
meaning,
ulit. Paulit ulit.
Parang magiging kailangan maging maobliga kami na magbasa talaga kasi random yung call hindi
Of course.
hindi yung merong naka-assign lang. Kasi pag minsan may naka-assign may naka-assign naman di ko mo naggagawin yan.
Ay wala
May ganun eh.
Di ba bukas
may ganun akong nararamdaman, Dok.
Ay ganun ba? Medyo yun. May mga planetary malalignment yun.
Opo. Parang feeling may ganun.
Galing ko na yung recording.